How to say mad or crazy in Igbo is ara, ra, ara. Let's look at ways to mean you are crazy in Igbo. Ina agba ara. You are running mad. Ina agba. You can turn this into a question simply by changing your tone. Ina agba. Are you running mad? Ina agba. You are running mad. Another way is ara na agba. Ara na agba. You are mad or crazy. Ara na agba. Though this literally translates to madness is running you. Okay. Ịbụ onye ara. Ịbụ onye ara. You are a crazy person. Ịbụ onye ara. You can turn this into a question simply by changing your tone. Ịbụ onye ara? Question. Ịbụ onye ara? Statement. Ara gbachie gị ntị. Ara gbachie gị ntị. This is more like a curse, just like saying, may madness strike your ears. Ara gbachie gị ntị.